Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you have a Tesla vehicle or Miller, Multimatic or Millermatic machine, this video is for you. As you know, the Nema 650 is the most common Millermatic plug for 220 volt. Stay tuned. Today's video is brought to you by, sponsored by, well, me. I don't have any sponsors yet. Maybe one day. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks. Now, as a welder and handyman, I see this outlet installed in garages all the time, and you may opt for a dedicated power source or a temporary or removable power source, and you can get these adapters so that you can weld or charge your EV at your preference or discretion. You can do one or the other, but not both at the same time. Now, since I have this 650 plug for my welding machine, I'm curious how many of you have this adapter for your EV. Please drop a comment if you are a welder with an EV or you are considering getting an EV. I would be curious to get an electrician's perspective on this as well. Some people have their EV charger hardwired into their subpanel, but other people do not have enough space in their subpanel, and so that is why they need an adapter so they can do welding or charge your EV.
Okay, let's go.